Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss topic all about network security. Okay, it is today in the particular one. We can today discuss topic all about public key cryptography algorithm. Okay, in the public key cryptography algorithm, famous algorithm called about RSA algorithm. RSA is the Rivest, Shamir, and Adleman. Three-person first name will be become as the RSA algorithm. Okay, we'll go to this what is the RSA algorithm. We'll go from as the sender A, sender B. Here call about the A user and B user. We call about A user confirm as the Alice, B user confirm as the Bob. The both time we perform with the encryption and decryption. We sending the message having the M. The encryption E having that is the PRA and private value of A user, public value of the A user, private value of the A user, and public value of the B user. Middle the message will be converted from as the ciphertext further. This is called about the public key cryptography algorithm. Okay, sample structure of that is the public key cryptography algorithm. Okay, now we'll go from as a some example for that. A is nothing about is the Alice and Bob is nothing. B nothing about the Bob. Okay, because Alice and Bob they having C and he they want to make by the conversations. The conversation based on the having the message be as encrypted, send them decrypting and receiving the message. Now go from as the RSA algorithm. RSA algorithm. First, I have to compromise the RSA algorithm. Okay, we have to select by the what are the prerequisites are required. Prime number, concurrences, and having that is a modular exponentiations followed with modular exponentiation followed with having that is a GCD and we have in that is a Euler Torsen function, Torden functions. We call about the pi of n. We call about as a pi of n. Okay, this is the prerequisite to the RSA algorithm. Now we'll go to this algorithm. Okay, in this algorithm, we discuss about the what is that algorithm stands. Steps are there. First RSA algorithm, step one. Okay, first you write by the step one. Okay, step one equal to the select algorithm. Step one, select two largest prime number. Okay, to select that is a choose having that is a p comma q is a prime number, and also having that is the largest prime number have to choose. For the solve that one we are taken by smallest number. Second one, calculate the product of n equal to p into q. The step 2. The step 3 can calculate by the Torsion function of n, that is having the pi of n. Pi of n equal to formula is the p minus 1 into q minus 1. Okay. Then after that having that is a pi of n, suppose having that is a prime numbers are there, we write from as a p minus 1. Step number 4, we have to go from as that is a select e. Select or maybe choose the e, we have to set the condition for that e must be as the above 1 or above 1 less than by total function of n, and as well as one more condition also there, gcd of e comma total function of n equal to 1. Both conditions are satisfied, then only we selected by e is a number. The step number 5, okay, we have to perform with select the d value. For how to select the d is that it is having that is the e inverse of the e inverse go from as a d. How you can select that one is e into d Triple E could confirm as the concurrence value, one mod total function of n. So we have to select by the E and D the product mod with the total function of n mean return having the 1. For that structure, what is that is having the network architecture mean center side and the receiver sides are the A and B. Sender side and receiver side having the A and B message. Here having the A and B. Okay, after having the A and B, we having the private value. For this one, private value is the E, public value is the N. So we write from as the N. When you go from as the receiver side having the private value is the D, public value is the N. So we have it to substitute in this structure format previously using by the PRA, comma PUA, PRB, comma PUB. Now come from after selecting by the E, comma D variable, then step number 5. We will directly go to the that is a encryption procedure. In the encryption procedure, we have to apply by C equal to m to the power of E mod of n. Okay, mod of n. Okay, they have in the m should be as the less than by total function of n. That means the sorry, they have is a m less than by n. Step number 7, here type by decryption value m decryption of the plain text. It will go from as the m equal to decryption value m equal to decryption value m equal to c to the power of c to the power of d mod of n. M equal to c to the power of d mod of n. So these are 7 steps are there to execute that one. P comma q n need to be computed, Watson function need to be computed. Choose the e variable having the above 1 and less than total function of n. GCD of e comma total function must be as the 1. After selecting the D variable, go from as the E inverse value. For E inverse computing, D into E concurrence value as the 1 mod of total function of N. Okay, after having the selecting by E and D, the substituting into the encryption formula, the M must be as the less than of an N value. Then selecting by C equal to M to the power of E mod N. Decryption side M equal to C to the power of D mod N. This from method is the algorithm. Now go to this example. The example, okay, we consider that example. Selecting the first procedure, step 1. The step 1 is select P equal to 11, Q equal to 17. Okay, then we have to substitute into this P and Q, the both are having the prime and co-prime numbers. Then add to step number 2, we have to substitute the value equal to n equal to p multiply with q. So we got the value equal to 11 into 17 equal to 187. 187. After the step number 3, we had to calculate by total function of n. We had to apply the formula as a p minus 1 into q minus 1. Okay, if you having the 11 minus 1 and having 17 minus 1, we got by the 10 into 6, 10 into 16 equal to 160. So we directly write by that is the total function of n equal to 160. Okay, we have to write the stack of all the formula. We write from as the only total function of value equal to 160 for that. Total function of n equal to 160. So we should know what is difference between that total function of n equal to 160, n equal to as the 187. Okay, before selecting by the E, okay, how to choose that E mean total function n equal to 160, n having the 187, difference having the 27 numbers are there. The 27 number we have to find which are the numbers should not choose by as the E value. That is that We added selecting by as the 11. First prime number is 11 and next number 11, 22, 33, then 44, 55, 66, then 77, then 88, then 99, then 100, 110, 110, then having that is a plus 11, 121, 121, then is having the 132, then 143, 154, then 165, 176, then 187. So we are able to find the number 11 to number totally able to find. There is a 5 plus 10, 15, then 18 numbers can able 17 number able to found here, 17 number. So we able to remain 10 numbers are there, having the 17th table is be there, 1734, that number become. Finally, 187 numbers are there. So except these number, we are selecting by E. Okay. So we selecting by the E, we have to select in the condition. How to select the E now? Already we having that is a E into D. Okay, having that selecting by the E. What the conditions are they? Condition we having that is a above one. Suppose we had selecting by the some number. Any number you can try. Why are selecting by the 7 means? Okay, we having some product will be the product. The product is there, we selecting the 7. Okay, because 7 there is a prime factor values are the factor values are there. E equal to 7. 1 less than by 7 and 160 is GCD 7 comma 160 is a prime number. Prime numbers are the prime number. Why are selecting the prime number? A prime number selected, then having GCD number is the 1 is a composite number, will get by this a 1. After the selecting by the D, you go for a E into D, concurrence value 1 mod order function of N. 7 into some dash number, 1 mod order function of 160 are there. We want to get this product. Okay, when the result want to come here for concurrence value, 161 mod with 160 mean written by the remainder equal to 1. So we can take by the factor further 161 divisible by as the some number be divisible we got by value equal to 1. So we have to identify 161 which are the two product can able to get by the two number. One number equal to 7. Another number need to be find. Another number need to be find. You can multiply with 23. We got by 161s are coming. So 161s are coming here. We got by the 161 mod of 160. We got by the 1 condition going to satisfy. So we selecting by the E equal to 7, D equal to 23. So here having that what is the number? We have it starting by the N value equal to 187. For go to the step number 6, go from as encryption procedure. Encryption procedure. Before we had starting by m less than equal to 20. So m less than equal to 187. We are starting by m equal to 20. Well, go to the step number 6. Before you can write from as what are the parameters are they? N equal to 187, E equal to 7, D equal to 23, M equal to 20. You write from as the M equal to 20 and that is it above. Now you have to strike out by remaining steps. We'll go to the step number 6 for as the encryption procedure. For step number 6, encryption procedures. Okay, we have to write the formula for that formula. The encryption, okay, encryption equal to C to the power C equal to M to the power of E mod of N. Mod of N. So we got by the C, all the parameters are there. What is the M here? M equal to 20. So 20 power of 7 mod 187. We need to find direct answer. If you are using by calculator, a digital calculator, you can able to get the answer. For that is the 2 to the power of 7, 7, 20 power 7, we can write from as the binary value of 7. It is having triple ones are there, 4, 2, 1. So if the number be 20 power of 7, you can divide by the 20 power of 4 in 20 power of 3, 20 power of 2 in 20 power of 1, equal from as 20 power of 7. So we write from first of all calculating by 20 power of 1. We had to calculate by 20 power of 1 need to be calculated. So 20 power of 1, how to write for that one? We can call it as the modular exponentiation. 20 power of 1 go from as the equal to mean 20. 20 mod of 187 we got by the remainder value. Numerator denominator should be as a bigger, numerator be a smaller one, write from as it is by same output. For that we can write from as the different format. 20 power of 1 concurrence value of 20. 21 is concurrence value of 20 directly write by the remainder value, should not write from as the right hand side part. So for that, you write from as 20 power of 1 equal to is 20. So you'll keep it by the first steps. Then 20 power of 1, 20 power of 1 concurrence value equal to 20. So we'll go to the second step also. For that, just in the gap, we write from as 20 power of 1 equal to 20. Then 20 power of 2. 20 power of 2 go from as a reserve. What is the answer we receive from as the previous answer? Make it by double the value. 20 into 20. It become as a 400 for that. So multiply by 20 into 20 double times. We got the value equal to 400. 400s are there. 400. How many 187s are available? Two times are available as the 187. So right from as the 400s are there. You can write from first to 187. What is the values are there? 13s are missed. Here I have 13 plus 30 I have 26. So we got the remainder equal 26 directly substituting by the 400 mod of 187 mean we got by 26. After that 20 into power of 4 will be there. 26 and 26 want to be as a multiply that one. 26 and 26 can multiply. We got by that is a 6 6 are 36. Balance equal to 3. Okay, 6 balance equal to 3. 2 6 are 12 plus 5 5 3 equal to 15. Then 2 12 2 12 12 2 balance is the one. 2 2s are 4 plus 5. So we got the value 6 7 6. So we got the value equal to 676. 676 mod of 187. So we already calculate the value for that is the first number is the 187. So we have in that is the three times possibilities are available. First I have to be a substituting into the first method. Whether can how many times possible that one. For is the 187, okay, we can multiply by that is a for divisible that one. Divisible we got by 187. Okay, 187 and 187. Then having that is here having the 4, 8 is 16 plus 1, 16 plus 1, 7. And then having that is 3. So having that is 374s are there, 2 times. Then if you adding with one more time, 87 want to be 377, 374, 374 multiply double time. If you going to be not possible to cross it. The go from as a 7, 748 to be required. But our number having 676, so we go from as a 187 want to be as a add from that one. If you add now, third time will be as a multiple going to complete. Having that is a 7 plus 4 equal to 11. Then having that is a 8 plus 8 equals 16 plus 1. Having that is a 5. 561 minus 676. So 676 minus 561 we got by the value equal to 1 and 1 then 1. So 115 having the got by the answer for that we got by the 115. So we have to multiply the value into the 20 power of 1, 20 power of 4, 2, 20 power of 4. What is the answer we got it? 20 then into 20, 20 power of 1, 20 power of 2 in 20 power of is a 4. 20 power of 1 equal 20. This is having 26. This is having is a 1 on 5. When I want to cross multiply, if you are using the calculator, very easy for us. But we are not using calculator now, so we have to use by the manual. So which is having there is the highest numbers are there, you can able to cross multiply. So we compare here 20 into 115. Okay, 115 able to multiply. Suppose twos are there now. So having the 115 mean having that is a 15. So it's 30 plus the 115. 10 times available 1150, 10 times available 1.0. 0 plus 1 equal to 3 plus so 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2300. When you substituting by 2300 is the biggest number. So 2300 okay into 26. Okay, you want to cross multiply. For the simplification of the answer 2300, we have to be as a reduce into the modulus value want to be applied. Modulus value. So 2300 we make by the 187 now. 10 times is possible. 10 times possible 2300. Directly go for that is the 187. Okay, so having the 18700. The remainder some numbers are there. Remainder number substituting by here 0 0 0 3 and also having that is a 2 we got by the 430s are there. 22 minus 8 having the 430s are there. When I go for the 430, and I go for the 430, we got by 374 numbers are there. We'll make by 374 into this 434 minus 2 times 374. We have to subtract that one. Okay. Okay, 2300 divisible by 187 divisible by minus 1870. So we can compromise the 26 into to 115. We got by 2990. 2990 answer divisible by 187. We got by the remainder equal to 15. Okay, so you write from as the 15 into 187 we got by 2805. 2805. 2805 minus 2990 we got by 185. So we compromise the 185 as the first answer. Multiply it having that's a 185 into the 20. Okay, in 20. So we got the answer compromise the 3700 from the entire product. 3700 mod value divisible by 187 we got by 19 values are there. So write from as the 19 into 187 we write from as a 3553 equal to minus 3700. We got the value equal to 147. Okay, 35533 got by 147. So our ciphertext equal to 147. Ciphertext equal to 147. Okay, after getting ciphertext equal to 147, so we have to write the everything. We got the value equal to ciphertext equal to 147. Now go from as the decryption part. We have taken from as the decryption. Decryption, we need to produce the plain text need to be m. So m equal to c to the power of d mod of n. So c value is the 147 power of 23 mod value of 187. So we have to calculate it by 16. So 23s are there, not 23. We have to convert the 23 into the binary format. Suppose 23 now. 23, how we can split up that one? 16 plus 4. 20. Suppose 23, 23. We go for the 147. 147 of 2 equal to 147 into 147. 21609. The answer divisible by 187. 115. So 115 into 187. 21509. So this is having that 0. It's like 100 only coming. 609. This is having the 505. So here having that is the 401. So here having the 104. 104 into 104. We have to multiply this 147. Single time we can multiply. We got the value is that 103 into 157 into 147 divisible by 187. 12711. So that answer, this answer divisible by 187. 127, that answer is that 2377137 into 104. If you multiply by 12711 into 187, 2376957. So 7137 minus 6957, 180. 180 into 104. So 180 into 104. 180 into 104. 18720. Answer divisible by 187. 100. So we know that our answer is the 180 into 104. So 18700 100 times the balance equal to 20. So finally we got the value equal to 20. So receiver had to multiply this from as a 3 product except by 104. So 147 into 104. This entire this value substitute from here we got the remainder equal to 180. The last value equal to 104. 104 want to multiply we got the 18700 are there. 100 times possible. 100 times